Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch The Witcher Season 1, Episode 5. Before beginning, I have to warn you, today I was supposed to film another video, but I can't film it yet because this video that I was supposed to film was about the surprise that I'm preparing for you guys which are following me for The Witcher. You are new, I think, if you are just following me for The Witcher, but also for other shows. I was preparing something, a surprise for February. I was supposed to film you the video about that surprise today to warn you that it wasn't gonna begin, you know, for next month, and I have really big issues with that yesterday when I was trying to organize, you know, the final stuff about it. French services are really not helping me with that. I'm still hoping that I'm not gonna have to cancel it for The Witcher. I'm really excited to be back for The Witcher because I was not supposed to watch another episode today, but also because I'm really beginning to be fully into the show. You saw it, you saw my evolution during the first half of the season. I began to be really into it, to be really involved into that game, you know, to understand it, to understand the different timelines, to put them in a chronological order. That's it, I've got it. It was Yennefer's storyline, the Witcher storyline and the Princess storyline. But now, you know, we have Yennefer who spent 3 decades to help a king to rule, so now she's almost at the time of The Witcher, if she's not at the time of The Witcher, so maybe they're gonna meet. I want to see that. And we saw also during the last episode that The Witcher is connected with the princess because it took that decision, like, it was a surprise for me. What did you do? Really, what did you do, Geralt? He connected himself with the princess because of the law of surprise. I still don't know, you know, they're gonna be connected and that's gonna be an epic duo because he's a witcher and she has powers, so that's gonna be epic. But I still don't know if it means that they're gonna be connected, you know, in a romantic way, a love relationship like it was for her mother and her father, or maybe it's gonna be just a connection, you know, with their powers, maybe it's gonna be a connection with, I don't know, I still don't know what kind of connection I have to expect. Please don't tell me that into the comments, I don't want to have any spoilers, but that's it, you know, I'm searching what kind of connection can it be. I'm expecting nothing and everything at the same time, so we'll see. I'm expecting Yennefer to meet them, Geralt or the princess, but I think that she's connected also to them and we don't know yet why she's connected with them. I think, I said it a lot during the last episodes, I think that Yennefer, you know, what we are seeing about her since the beginning of this season, since the episode 2, it's the evolution of a character which is gonna be really important. It's an interesting evolution and it's also the evolution that we have in other shows, in other books, in other movies. It's the evolution of a villain character, you know, because at the beginning she was the sad girl that everyone was mistreating and that was really sad. Then she discovered that she had powers and she became that powerful woman, and then she was not really excited about her life, like she was annoyed about her life, even if she's a powerful witch, even if she's, you know, advising powerful people, she's really annoyed by her life now and she wants to do something else, she wants to do something better and she thinks that she's better than that. And that evolution, you know, we are used to have that kind of evolution into shows, movies and books for a villain character. So that's why maybe I'm expecting her to become a villain character during this season, at the end of this season, but I'm still wondering how can she become that villain character and how can she be connected with Geralt and the princess. For me, Yennefer, I love her character, I have to say it. Between the princess, Geralt and Yennefer, I have a preference for Yennefer. I can't hide it, but for me, you know, yes, she wants to do better, she wants to have a better position, she thinks that she deserves better. I'm okay with that, and I agree with that almost, and I think that for now she's still on the good path, you know, on the good side of the Force. How can she go on the wrong path, on the wrong side of the Force? She's really proud, you know, I think that's gonna be about revenge. I don't know how... I don't know why I'm thinking of that, but I think that for her to become a villain character, for her to go on the wrong path, it has to be something really cruel, really bad, that someone is gonna do to her, and after that she's gonna go on revenge because of that. She's gonna go like, you did that to me, I'm gonna screw all of your life, I'm gonna screw everything that you had to do, you wanted to do. Yes, for me, if I'm right about that, if I'm right about her becoming a villain character, it's gonna be about revenge. We'll see about that. And I said it also during the intro and review of the last episode, I think that this season is the prequel, you know, of the real story, the real journey, the real adventure, which is gonna begin when the princess and Geralt are gonna meet. I don't know if I'm right or wrong about that, we'll see. And I think also that maybe when they're gonna meet, you know, it's gonna be a long time after what we are seeing now for the princess. Like, she's gonna be a woman, she's not gonna be a teenager anymore. But I'm not worried about that because we know that witches and witches, they are not taking ages like humans are taking ages. They can live for 100 years, so yes, I think that it's not because of that, you know, that we're not gonna have Yennefer and Geralt anymore. No, we're still gonna have them, and they're not gonna be different, you know, for their appearance. We'll see about that, but that's my theories for now for the show. I'm gonna see if I'm right or wrong about that. Please do not tell me spoilers on the comments. Some of you did it on the comments of the episodes 2 and 3, I think, and I was glad that I watched the episode 4 before, you know, posting you the episodes 2 and 3, because without that, if I wouldn't have watched the episode 4 and I would have read these comments, I would have spoilers, and that's really annoying me. I don't want to have any spoilers, so please be careful and be respectful with that, please. You are watching my reaction because you want to know what are gonna be my reactions in front of this or these scenes, what are gonna be my thoughts. If you are telling me stuff, if you are telling me spoilers, I'm not gonna make reaction videos. I don't see the point, you know, so please be respectful with that. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking right now because, again, that's a long episode. I'm not mad because it's a long episode, but it's different, you know, to film reaction videos for short episodes or for long episodes. It's not the same organization that I have to make on my day, so that's all for this intro. Let's go now for the episode 5. You have an interesting collection? Bah alors?
I've had eyes on you for a while.
Who are you, both of you?
We've planned on wearing this one for a while, but we are flexible.
We? In which timeline are we and who are you? Each time I'm gonna ask these questions. Oh, and I'm beginning to think about a drinking game for each time that they're gonna say Destiny. That can be interesting. One of you suggested that into the comments. Mossack. So we are into the present.
Senate Dimeritium made just for you. The white flame made me who I am.
The white
Gave
flame?
me a high purpose. If only you
That's
realize
what?
that Sintra.
A religion? Okay. You're there.
This one.
What are you gonna do to Mossack? Run? You're not setting him free. It's a hunt for him. For them, because he's saying we. Ooh!
Everything you've ever done, ever dreamed is in our head now.
Okay,
Even this morning,
it explains the we,
He didn't want to be used.
and they're gonna use his appearance for going into the forest for the girl. You're gonna kill him? That's a slow and a cruel end.
what she is, she will end up where she belongs.
What? Where? She has powers like her mother, but I don't think that it's just that, you know? I think that it's more than just that. Because of her destiny with Geralt, but also, I don't know, there is something else.
You're a wee bit shy.
I've never been shy a day in my life.
Hmm.
Isn't it lovely? The life we've chosen? Being bound by the rules of the Brotherhood, because my customers come to me.
For what?
I see a lot of myself in you.
Are you selling them time? Are we gonna have a time traveling scene? Oh, that's gonna be even more confusing.
With mages like us, word of mouth is paramount.
There is no us. There's only me.
Our issue
You're helping people?
issues of a mechanical nature.
For money, I know, but still.
What is this wretched business here?
No!
Are you familiar with who I am?
Do we care?
Well, won't you end this rather melodramatic suspense and tell me?
He is Oberon.
He's supposed to speak French with a French accent.
I'm afraid
He's not.
these terms-
Mm.
Questen dead, lumen eres, un striding, a fair.
She's the reason for why they are coming.
I don't think they like me.
Sword of destiny has two edges.
It's not alcohol, but still.
Well, we're not using friends. Yeah, sure, let's just give it another...
Companion is better.
What are you fishing for exactly?
I'm not sure that he's fishing for fish.
Tar?
I'm not fishing. Can't sleep. A gin.
A what?
I'm looking for a
For a,
gin.
for a gin?
Okay.
Yes. Ilgrani wishes it's in this lake somewhere. I can't fucking sleep.
You're disturbed, for sure. Because of what you did? Really? The love, surprise, all of that?
You know, the Countess de Stael once said to me, with
Ah,
destiny...
I'm sorry! I just had such a big news. What I'm preparing for you for February, it's gonna happen! Oh, that's so great.
Oh,
But I'm gonna have to film another video today. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm sorry, I can't hide it. I'm gonna... I'm so excited. That's such a great news. To not have to cancel all of that, that's such a relief. That's so great. I'm so happy. I'm this close to cry because really I thought that I was forced to cancel it, and after spending a lot of money but also a lot of time and energy, creativity to do that, to organize that for you for February, I was really like, oh, that's so great. That's really great. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm gonna put the link of this video right there. I didn't film it yet, but I'm gonna put it just right there for you. That's so great, I'm so happy! Okay, I'm gonna continue to watch this episode right now, but... okay, really I have to concentrate now into this episode. I was gonna send you a kiss, I'm really too excited. I need to... Okay, concentrate again and... Okay, that's what you wanted?
Indecorous of you, if I'm completely honest. What was that? No, let go, you horses! Ah!
Never mind to comment.
Nah. Oh, it worked.
Jin, I have freed thee, and as of this day, I am thy lord.
You opened it together?
Apoplexy and dark. Countess Israel must welcome you back with glee.
Stop. There are only 3 wishes.
Just what's up there, peace?
What? Are you alright? I like him.
Oh dear.
What now?
His injuries are of a magical nature. I can help with the pain, but it's a bit like
Thanks, I wanted to.
he could die.
No?
Yeah, we won't let that happen.
Yes, please.
The medicine should buy him a few hours, but he needs a magical remedy.
Are you gonna... Is he gonna take him to Yennefer?
There's one mage. The mayor himself has made the catch and has imprisoned the mage.
It's not gonna be Yennefer.
Invifol is fine, sure. He's dead now.
Mm.
Kill Demolin drains now. You are pure chaos right now. You want to cure, and it's making you sloppy. They will come after you. That's why you're here. To warn me. You knew the cost of enchantment. But I didn't know what it would mean to me. Why? Why do you want a baby? The continent is vast. Just because you don't know a cure doesn't mean there isn't one.
Really?
Simply return to Aradusa. Well, thank you. I'm here to offer you a chance for redemption.
What are you gonna do if she's not accepting?
I gave you all I could give. But what do you want? Everything.
I said it, that she wants more. For her life, for everything.
But money opens all doors. So it does.
Are you gonna meet Yennefer? Bah!
The apple juice. She wants some.
You're talking about Yennefer?
As soon as you want me to get
She's playing with you?
Oh, good.
Are they gonna meet? I can't show that on YouTube, for sure. Boobs, 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 a lot of boobs. Oh, you're beautiful.
Brought your apple juice.
And quite a bit more. Yennefer available. You're a mutant. Famous white wolf.
You know him? By reputation? That's great.
I thought you'd have fangs or horns.
Are you telling that you're attracted by him?
What little spells can you cast with your hands? Call it professional.
Can you go somewhere else? I can't put that on YouTube.
I'll indulge your curiosity all night long.
That's a promise. Are you gonna help?
You'll have to do better than juice. Ragamuffin.
They're gonna have an affair?
He's in a deep healing sleep.
That's great.
How long will he sleep for?
Long enough for you to bathe.
I'm appreciating that, I have to say it.